Welcome to Independent Hub, your go-to channel for smart ideas to grow your wealth, achieve financial freedom, and live life on your own terms. In today's video, we're talking about the top 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. These are strategies that allow you to earn money even when you're sleeping or spending time with your family. Passive income can be the key to achieving your financial goals, whether you want to save for the future, pay off debt, or enjoy more free time. Make sure to watch the full video because we'll break down how each idea works and share tips to help you get started. Let's dive in. Let's start with dividend stocks, one of the easiest and most reliable ways to earn passive income. Here's how it works. When you invest in a company's stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. Many companies share a portion of their profits with their investors, and this payment is called a dividend. For example, let's say you buy 100 shares of a company that pays $1 per share every quarter. That means you'll earn $100 every 3 months, just for owning those shares. Sounds great, right? The best part is that you don't have to do anything after you invest. Your money works for you. To get started, look for companies that have a strong history of paying dividends, like Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, or Johnson & Johnson. These companies are known as dividend aristocrats because they've paid consistent dividends for decades. If you're a beginner, you can use apps like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Fidelity to start investing. And don't forget to reinvest your dividends. This means using the money you earn to buy more stocks, which helps your income grow even faster over time. What's great about dividend investing is that it's perfect for long-term goals, like saving for retirement or building wealth for your family. Just remember, the key to success is patience and consistency. Next, let's talk about rental income, which is one of the oldest and most popular ways to earn passive income. If you own property, renting it out can bring you steady monthly income. But don't worry if you don't have enough money to buy a house or apartment, there are still ways to get into the rental business. For example, you can rent out a spare room in your home or even list your property on platforms like Airbnb. If you live in a busy city or near a tourist area, short-term rentals can be very profitable. If you're interested in real estate but don't want to deal with managing tenants, you can also explore real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul. These allow you to invest in large real estate projects with as little as $500. You earn a portion of the rental income without having to buy an entire property yourself. Here's a pro tip: if you're renting out a property, make sure to keep it in good condition. A clean, well-maintained space attracts better tenants and reduces costs in the long run. Rental income is an excellent way to create a stable financial foundation for your future. Coming in at number 3 is digital products, one of the easiest and most scalable passive income ideas. So, what are digital products? These are items like ebooks, online courses, templates, or printables that you can create once and sell over and over again. For example, if you're good at graphic design, you can create Canva templates for resumes, social media posts, or planners. People are always looking for easy-to-use designs, and platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it super simple to sell your work. Another idea is to create an online course. Do you have a skill you can teach? Maybe you're good at photography, cooking, or coding. Use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare to create and sell your course. The best part? Once it's uploaded, people can buy it anytime, and you keep earning money. Here's why digital products are so great: they require some time and effort up front, but once they're ready, they can generate income for years with little to no extra work. If you're creative or have a skill people want to learn, this is a fantastic way to make money online. Finally, we have print-on-demand businesses, a creative and low-risk way to earn passive income. Here's how it works: you design products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and upload your designs to platforms like Printify, Redbubble, or Teespring. When someone buys your product, the platform handles the printing and shipping for you. You just earn the profit. The key to success in print-on-demand is to focus on trending topics or specific niches. For example, you could design shirts with motivational quotes, seasonal holiday themes, or memes that are popular right now. You don't need to be an expert designer to get started. Canva is a great tool for creating professional-looking designs quickly and easily. Print-on-demand businesses are perfect for anyone who loves being creative and wants to turn their ideas into income. So, there you have it, the top 5 passive income ideas that work in 2025. Dividend stocks. Rental income. Digital products. Affiliate marketing. Print-on-demand businesses. Which of these ideas do you want to try? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, passive income takes time and effort to set up, but the rewards can be life-changing. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching Independent Hub, where we help you take control of your future and achieve financial independence. Until next time, stay inspired and stay independent.